Do lead magnets work at the local level, or is it specific? So like an accountant might say offer a tax guide as a lead magnet. So someone's looking for an accountant. Hey, get our free tax guide, put your details, and then you've got something to remarket to. Is that a tactic that you see working?
Yeah, I would say definitely in like the restaurant business, hair salon business, I think it's good. Like, hey, give us your email and your information and we'll give you 10% off of your next color or haircut or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Or, we'll give you best product picks that we like for shampoo, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
People are going to want that because they're going to want to know the professionals, what they're, if you're giving them information that's valuable to them, then yes, for a restaurant could be, we change our menu every 2-3 months, be a part of our secret menu special where only these people know this, that kind of like exclusivity, right? People like, oh, I want to be about that club, oh, what are they having over there? Oh, they're a part of the exclusive club. You want to be a part of that? It's kind of like, it's kind of like MasterCard when you have the platinum or the black card. It's like, people like that sometimes. Right? When it comes to the trades, don't contact me. Trades, lead magnets is like, I just need you to fix my toilet. I don't want to get bombarded every month by your stupid email, right? I wouldn't say lead magnets. There's nothing a plumber can give me that I would want to be a part of your email list, right? So the trade's going to be a little harder. We do email campaigns and we do see it rewarding, but the way we do it, it's different. We don't email them a special every month. What we do is we email them a tip, like a house hack tip. And it doesn't have to be about plumbing. It could be any tip. And then we also put in there 3 cool things you could do. So in the holidays, hey, 3 neighborhoods that have great lights. Or if it's like 4th of July, hey, here are 3 different places you can go watch the fireworks. So it's like community things. Here's the best ball game that's going on. Here's whatever. Hey, like right now we're the Super Bowl. Here are the 3 bars that have the best Super Bowl party. Now they're looking forward to your email every month. Like they're giving me a house hack tip and they're telling me what's going on in my community. And then at the very bottom, then do a special. That kind of email is great, but it's harder in the trades to kind of do lead magnets. Yeah,
and I can imagine. I suppose the only one I can possibly think of will be with plumbers, if you have like your boiler or your HVAC or whatever needs an annual service that you can sign up for an annual, a reminder when your service is coming up. That kind of thing might be, but it's one of those things that it's sometimes people can be a bit reticent sometimes to hand their information over. But I can see why a plumber will be a difficult one to get exciting stuff off all the time. So
they'll sign up for that. Yeah, they'll sign up for that when you already do service. But they're not going to sign up for it if they haven't done service for you and it just pops up on their page.
Yeah. I suppose that's the thing where you're the plumber, you've gone around, done the service, and you say, hey, if you give me your email address, I can send you a reminder next year. So that's like it's not necessarily a website thing, but it might be a nice little business hack for people doing that kind of service thing. Yeah.
Ready to grow your brand? Let Red Palm deliver results that matter.